Hi, hello, my lovely viewers. My name is Austin Igwe. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts on HubSpot CRM and also companies, okay, without typing their data one by one to save you time. Okay, then I'm going to also show you how to create a blog post, okay, using HubSpot CRM tools without stressing yourself. Okay, the template, different types of plain template, to choose the right template for your HubSpot. Okay, and also I'm going to create a landing page using HubSpot. You don't even need to have don't even have a developer, or maybe have the mindset of being a developer before you start using HubSpot CRM tool. No, whether you are a developer or not a developer, you can design a landing page and also a website, all in HubSpot. So without further ado, let us jump in and start immediately. And don't forget to like and share my video. Okay, all right. Today I'm going to show us what HubSpot is all about. Although my first video series that I shared about HubSpot, I didn't really describe what HubSpot is all about. HubSpot is a CRM tool for marketing companies, okay, for businesses to track their clients, build landing pages, build email templates to follow up their clients. So let's first of all define what Salesforce is all about. You can see the HubSpot CRM platform contains the marketing, sales, service, operation, and website building software you need to grow your business. The advantage of using HubSpot for your business is that you don't need to have a developer skills. You don't need to be a developer before you use HubSpot CRM to build a landing page or a website. As long as you know what you are building, you are good to go. HubSpot is a CRM platform that's designed to scale your business from one person business, okay, to a 2,000 plus employee enterprise, meaning that you can have a single business, like a one-man business with HubSpot. HubSpot supports one-man business to a larger company. So it depends on the number of employees you have. It depends on your connection, the kind of business you want to start. HubSpot is there for you. Okay, the HubSpot CRM platform has the marketing. It has the marketing, the sales, the customer service, the operation, and content management features. You need to build what? The best experience for your customers. So this content management is like, we use it to build blog posts, okay? Maybe the blog post you'll be sending every morning or maybe every week, okay, to your clients, okay? You can see what is the role of HubSpot. HubSpot is a customer platform that connects everything scaling companies need to deliver a best-in-class customer experience into one place. So with Salesforce, you're going to build your form, generate email templates, build landing pages, run an advert, run a data analysis to analyze your advert, see whether it's performing well, and see the source of your income, the source of your business, where it is going, where it is reducing. Okay, so that is what HubSpot is all about. So I'm going to jump to these are like contacts that I've created before, but today I want to show us how to import contacts. Okay, today I'm going to import contacts and companies just to show you, if you don't want to if you don't have the energy or strength to start typing your contact one by one, you just click on what? Import. Okay, import. Okay, import file from where? From computer. Let's import it from our computer. Okay, one file. This multiple files with association means contact with companies, with email, with other details, with deals together. Okay, but this time around, I just want to import just one file which has only contact in it. Remember, object, a contact is an object. Okay, a contact is an object. So they're asking you what type of object you want to import. For example, your file has only, you can see, has only data on contact only. So if you want to import a CSV file or XF file, make sure that you arrange it the way contact should be. Let me give you an example. If you're importing a contact, the contact must have their first name, second name, okay, their phone number, their email address. You can add other things, maybe city, okay, or maybe the country. That is what makes a full contact. Okay, so I'm going to import a contact that I just crafted. Okay, this one, it has the name, the phone number, and like favorite things they like. Okay, so you can see multiple objects. For example, your file or files has data on contacts and deals. Like I told you, if you're importing multiple, meaning that you're importing a contact that has deal in it, that has a company and also deals in it. So let's just import one contact. Okay, you can see. So company, the contact you want to import, the business you work with, which are commonly called account organizations. Okay, contacts, the people you work with, commonly called leads or customers. Okay, so it depends on the kind of contact that you want to import. So this time around, I'm going to import customer, like leads. Okay, so it's either you drag your file inside, okay, or you choose a file from your system. Remember, you are choosing a CSV file, not a file. Make sure that the file you are the contact you are importing or the file you are importing is on CSV file. Okay, so let's see how we do that. Okay, so I'm trying to bring out from where I saved it so that you will see how to import yours. Okay, so you can see I created a folder, HubSpot data folder. Okay, showing that I'm going to import anything that has to do this place now has to do with what? HubSpot file. Okay, let's import the contact and see. You can see. So why it's mapped? You can see it's mapped, meaning that I set it in a way. You can see it has, the column has what? First name, second, last name, email address, and favorite. So it depends. Okay, it depends. I also added their phone numbers. Okay, so it depends on the column that you want to what. You depends on how many columns that you have in CSV that it will what detect. Here you can see this one detected the first name, it detected the last name, it detected the email, and also do what? This is what, like favorites. You can choose anything here you want. You can see these ones are locked. Okay, you can see, choose anything that you want. Let's just leave this one for now. You can see mobile. So you have to do what? Make sure that you arrange your file on your Excel to make sure you import properly. Okay, so now you can see you have two unmapped columns, meaning that there were two columns that I didn't map. I didn't put anything on it. I will say don't import data in unmapped columns. If I click on this one now, if I check on this box now, I will be able to do what? Click on next. You can see, meaning that it's going to import only these ones on green without importing these ones. Okay, let's go. I agree a list from this import. So they are asking you a question. So you have to make sure that you check these boxes if you are sure of what you want to import. Okay, let's click on finish import. You can see your import is what on process. So after the importation, it will show me whether things went right or not. Okay, so this one is locked because it has a subscription feature. So if you want to clean your import, like if you want to remove something and adjust some things, that's what you do. You can see summary of what I imported was what, how many rows, 9, and new record I imported what, new record. Okay, so automatically when I go to my contacts now, all the content that I imported will show there. You can see. So, and what it does, the last, okay, the activity, we call it like activity, the last thing that you did, like the last contact that you imported, it will just show from what, from the beginning. Okay, you can see we're able to what, import successful contact. So here, if you want to do some adjustment, maybe like add your phone number on your own, and that's why it's showing what, this ... So you can see this one has their phone number. So it depends on you. You can just take your time and do what, arrange. So this contact owner means what, unassigned. I can decide to what, assign them to a particular what, user. Okay, let's say my co-admin, or maybe people that are working under my team, I can assign each of these contacts to them. Okay, so that is these are like primary companies. Okay, these are like primary, but you have to, when you assign them, you now be able to what, assign them to companies that you want. Last activity is anything that I've got nothing. You have not done anything with the company. See, look at today, the time, created date, the date we imported this contact. You can see this was the one I did in the morning. So look at the time. This one is showing me the time at what, 5:46. So all the ones that I imported now, you time them and everything. Okay, so it's either you create or you import from your what, Excel file. Let's import companies, and now we're going to move over to landing page, how to create a landing page and also a blog post using using HubSpot. Okay, you don't even need to have a developer skill for you to do what, create a landing page or build a blog post for your content. So before we do that, let's just also import a company. Remember, how many companies we have here? We have one. Okay, the total number of companies that we have here is 5. We have 5 companies. So what is going to happen when I import another company? Okay, now I don't want to create, I want to import. Okay, start import. Import. I want to import from my system. Okay, remember, anytime you see multiple files with association, it means that it has other things attached to it. Okay, let's move and see. Companies, the business you work with, which are commonly called account or organizations. Okay, the people you work with, this is like contact. Okay, this is like contact. Okay, this is if you want to import contact here. Let's import this. You will see it's showing me this one. So let's import from this angle. Companies, we are importing companies. That's where and what do you want to import? You want to import companies with contact. You can see, so you're importing 2 things at a go. You said what? Select what? Companies. Choose how to import companies. Okay, you can say create new companies only, update existing ones. So you can what, automatically what, exist. Okay, the ones that are available. You say create new companies only. You can just choose what you want to do. Okay, Also choose how to import what? Your contacts. Okay. Remember, we imported only the contacts. Okay. So here, because I choose a double, that is why it's showing me what? Contact. Okay. We want to import company with contacts. Okay. This file don't have what? Association. Meaning that the companies I'm trying to import doesn't have association with what? The contacts. So what they're advising me to do is to import only the company. Okay. Only the what? The company. So before you import a company with contacts, the contacts and the company must do what? Have association. The association I mean is that it must have contacts that are working with them. Okay. So you import the company with the contact automatically. See what happened here? We are importing only contacts. Okay, we are importing only contact, that only company that doesn't have contact, okay, attached to it. Who are the contacts of this company? Contacts are people that work under a company, people that are like a representative. You can say, okay, this is the customer, this is the account manager for social company that you are working. That is the contact you have. So if you want to import contact and company together, you must map it out in your Excel, showing that this contact is related to what? To that company you're importing. So that you do what? You successfully what? Import the company. If not, to show you errors. You can see how many rows? 10 rows, 0 error. So there was no error here. Okay. Remember what I did? I mapped it out in what? Name of the company domain, which is what? Their website, their phone number, and the city. You will see. Okay. We imported how many companies? We imported 3 companies. Okay, look at their phone numbers, look at their what? Website, their landing page, their URL, okay, and the company name. Now you will see city, phone number, company domain, company name. Okay, you will see. So you have to what? And just map it very well with your Excel. So this is just a very wonderful way of importing your contacts and your company without what? Typing by yourself. You can see import, look at the file name, company's import file. Okay, and I click what? Finish. Your import is what? Processing.
My name is
so
Austin
when it's done,
Igwe.
it will show me.
Yes. In this video, I'm going to show you
I imported
how to import contacts on HubSpot.
So automatically, when I
import
go back
companies
to
on HubSpot. Remember, HubSpot is marketing CRM tools for managing businesses for small companies and larger companies. It doesn't matter the location and the size of it. Anybody can use HubSpot. So I'm going to show you how to import contacts, like when you generate contacts, okay, from your post, how to import them using your Excel file. Also, I'm going to show you how to also import companies if you now start working with companies and you want to keep their details. Instead of inputting it one by one, you can compile it on a Excel sheet and import it on HubSpot, okay? Then after that, I'm going to show you also how to create a landing page on HubSpot. How to create a landing page on HubSpot. When somebody clicks on your message or your blog post, they will now go to a particular page and maybe they want to patronize you or maybe add some of the things they need from you. Okay, finally, I'm going to round it up, okay, with a blog post, how to create a blog post on HubSpot. If you're a content creator, if you're a copywriter and you are looking for a way to create blog posts for your company or for another maybe business you're managing, I'll advise you try HubSpot blog post. You will see how easy it is for you to do that. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share our videos, and keep watching our videos because I'll be releasing it series by series. Thank you.
Create and import content, also import companies. You can see some of these ones. Some of these ones has automatically attached their logo. Okay, so what this is simply means that when you create a contact or a company with their correct domain name or email account, it will auto-populate details of those companies for you, okay, without even you doing anything for them. Okay, so let's go to this inbox. Has to do with messages, the ones you send out, the ones that came in. So this is chat flow. Chat flow is just like how it is going, your communications. Snippets, snippet is just like a simple messages, like simple words, like hi, my name is, okay, thank you for contacting us, we will follow it up. So all these little short words, these are what snippet is all about. It will save it. You can create your snippet, or it will automatically generate snippet if you keep responding to messages. Okay, this one is template. You can also design your own email template, okay, the way you want it, and also create your own signature. Remember, your signature can be your name, it can be your phone number, or maybe your first name or your nickname. Okay, that is the last thing that will come to an email when you send it to a particular client. You will not say, okay, this signature is coming from so contact. Okay, so let's move on and go to this one is ads. Okay, I'm not going to touch on this ad for now. This is going to be another series. Okay, and also email templates. Okay, designing email. So this one is going to also be another series. But today I just want to show you how to create landing pages. Okay, so without further ado, let's click on landing pages. You can see landing pages. Okay, drive customers to your website with landing pages. Okay, with landing pages, create and launch what? Custom landing pages for your companies within what? Minutes. This one said easily convert visitors into qualified business leads. Okay, making your landing pages work for you with conversion analytics and what? SEO suggestion. So it's either you click on get started or you click on this button, create. So let's go to get started. Remember, this is your website. Okay, you can rename it automatically. It will give it what? A name with what? This URL. Okay, let's call this our landing page. You now click on what? Create page. It will now open. That's what we call templates, or in Salesforce we call it builder. Okay, like where you build some things for yourself. Okay, this one has some templates you can choose from. Okay, you can choose any of these templates for your landing page. You can choose any of these templates for your what? Landing page. It depends on what you want to build. Okay, this one is said compass sending meeting. This one is flux download assets. Okay, it depends on the landing page. Remember, landing page is just like when a client clicks on your subscribe or to put their details, the first page it will direct them. That is what this landing page is all about. Okay, provide more details. Okay, this let's see. Then if you want, you can preview it before using it. You can just preview how it will look like. Okay, about the landing page, you can see This is just like a short landing page where you, if you want to gather your contact or your client information, you can see sign up. Whenever they saw your post online or elsewhere and they just feel like, okay, let me click and see. This is the first landing page that will take them. This is the desktop view. Let's see the tab view. Okay, this is how it's going to be on your tab when you design it. Also, look at the mobile view. Okay, look at how it's going to be on your mobile. Also, these are links. Okay, these are links. So without further ado, let's just create let's just choose this one, or you can search. Okay, if you have any templates in mind, you can see I just search for business and it will show me different kinds of templates. So it depends. Okay, you can see if you have anyone in mind. Okay, so let's just start from this first one. Now you can see, so this is just like a first landing page where one when they contact you, it will just take them to this particular page. If I want to change this image now, you can see I will just click on replace. I just want it to be something very simple. Let's just use this image for now. Let's just use this image for now. This is just what I want, okay, for this landing page. So this is like an image alternative test. So should in case the user or client is trying to open it and is not opening, they will see the alternative and know what the image is all about. Okay, so this is just like a URL link. When they tap on this particular image, where will it take them to? That is what this is all about. Okay, remember, this lazy just like when the page is loading, all those lines that will be just going, it will be as if the page is blinking. That is what this browser default is all about. Okay, you can see lazy loading. Okay, the fast loading, this element until is what visible, like it will do as if the page is fainting until what it is visible. That is what this lazy loading is all about. Okay, you can choose to put it any of these. Let's put let's just look for let's just use this as the URL that will be on that image. Okay, I'll just copy this and see. So as soon as I tap, you can see open what link in new tab. As soon as I tap on this image, it will do what? It will take me to the landing page. Okay, so what is the landing page for? It says sign up for our newsletter. Okay, every week will send you a critical analysis of the works of brilliant architects. So it depends on the newsletter that you want to do what, them to sign up for you. These are just like the links. If you want to attach links to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you attach it here. This is also your own email. You can also attach link to your email, so that when they click on any of these, it will take them direct to the email. So this is the site navigator. Okay, site navigator. And remember the name, I named it what? Our landing page. So it's showing me updated. So whatever thing I'm doing automatically is what? Is updating. Okay, so this is a landing page. Okay, if I want to go on websites, I automatically create what? website. Okay, for now we just want to create a landing page. Let's also add. What do I want to add here? I want to add a section. Okay, next section found. Okay, what type of layer do I want to add here? I can say I want to add layouts. Remember, whatever thing you are adding, if you want it to be what, visible or invisible, you can hide the layout now. You can see it will go out, or you can just delete it. If you don't need it, you just delete it. So let's see, I just want to add form. Okay, I just want to add form. This is how to do it. If you want to add what, form, you just either you drag on it. Okay, see, I want to drag form here. Select an existing form you've got previously created. Okay, if I want, I select from the form the one that what, new contact that I created, or I do what, I create a new form. Okay, send form in notification to specified email address. Okay, I'll now choose my email. So if anybody fills their email or other details, I'll be able to do what, to see get the notification. So let me create a new form. Okay, the form name, automatically it has given it a name, so let me just use the name that it just gave me. Okay, what do I want to, you can see email. I can also add, okay, another property. What do I want to add? I will add let me see, I want to add let's cancel this. Okay, this is the email. Okay, this is what, if I want, I change this, okay, to learn more. You can see. Okay, I turn it to what, just submit after inputting their email. Okay, now if you want to add another form field, you click on this. Okay, and choose a property. Okay, you can see. Now you can just rename it whatever you need. Okay, I'm going to call this name. Okay, and this mark this field require means that if they don't input this, they will not be able to do what, submit. You can see it's showing this. Okay, mark this field what, unhidden. Okay, property name, you can decide to just call it any name you want. Okay, label what is what, the label name is what, name. Okay, so if you want to add like the border, visibility, alignment, spacing, okay, it depends on background. You can decide to what, change the background of this particular place. Okay, let me see, let's just change the background to another thing. You see, it will reflect. Did you see? And just change the background. Okay, let's just choose something, yes, smarter. Okay, yes, then the border, if you want to add any border on it, you can. Solid, dashed, if you want it to be dashed. Okay, you want to be dotted, you want it to be grooved, it depends on the border style you want. Okay, so let's just leave it this way. Okay, very simple, let's just leave it this way. Okay, so we just want to do what? Get their what? Only their email and their name. We're done. We don't need their phone number so that they will not feel somehow, okay? So look at it. So if I want to add a link to this Facebook, I will attach the link here and automatically it will take me to the landing page, okay, of this. Open, okay, open this on a what? On a new window. But for now, let's just, because we are just doing what? We are just designing things, okay? Now, this is, remember the name we gave it before our landing page, okay? So when you are done, you preview it. You can see this is what we just designed, okay? And you do what? Remember, I make this one compulsory. Please complete this. Okay, so meaning that you must, okay, you must complete this before you're able to do what? Continue. I think there's a little hitch here. That hitch is, let's go here and see. The name field, okay? So remember, you can add other things you want, okay? You can see, you can also add like a thank you landing page, okay? Clone form, create a new form, okay? So that is that, okay? Page title, you must name this page, okay? Page title, okay. Remember, it's what? It's auto-generated a link for me, okay? You can just put like a description, okay? You can just put like what? A description. Choose or upload an image to be used when sharing your page on social media. So you can add an image here if you want to share this page to a social media. Let's just pick an image, okay? You can see if you want to add another one here, but that one has automatically loaded inside. You can add another image if you want, okay? So that when they see those, okay, this is like a product, it's like I know this product, okay? So you will now put what? Alternate, like the name, let's just call this cream, so that even if it doesn't load on time, they will know what that image represents, okay? Remember, this thing saves automatically. The more you are doing it, the more it's doing what? It's saving, okay? Let's go to field. The field, you know, let's go to field because there is a little adjustment we need to do here, okay? You can see this one is showing us calendar. It shouldn't be calendar. This is not the right data that's supposed to be here, okay? This is not the right data that's supposed to be here. Yes. So this is a contact form that I created last week, okay? So I will just insert it automatically without even going all these long series. You can also create a contact us. You can see you can create a contact form ahead of time to insert it to any landing page. You are doing what? You are creating to save you that time. You can see I will not be able to do what? publish. You can see publishing. When do I want to publish? You can schedule your publishing, okay? You can schedule when to publish this. You can schedule here. If you click on this, you do what? Schedule the publish. You can say, okay, I just want to publish this landing page by tomorrow, by 1 or 2. But for now, let's just publish it now, okay? To text what we are doing. You can see, nicely done. Remember, there is a link here. They're giving you a link here. All you have to do what? Copy. You say your content is now what? Published. Share it. Share it using what? URL below. Okay, you can see. If you want to now add like a domain name, other things like, you can now continue. I'll just say, remind me tomorrow. Okay. So let's see if this landing page will open. You can see this is a landing page that we designed. Okay, you can see, and also remember this. I will also show you guys how I was able to do this. Okay, like somebody responding to change the image. You can see we will return on Monday. I even said a date, like we are not on duty on weekends, so I will show you guys how to do that. Okay, this is my email, this is my name. If I want to add anything, I just want to make some inquiries. Okay, I'll just do what? After that, you do what? Click terms and agreements, and you do what? Remember this. Okay, I added this so that to show that, yeah, you're not a robot. That is what this thing is all about. And remember, you must do what? Verify that you are a human before you'll be able to do what? You can see. So before you submit, you must do what? Verify you're a human and say thanks for submitting the form. And I'll get the message on my email. So that is it, my people. Okay, so thank you for taking the time to watch. I will also release more series, okay, on how to create a personalized form, so that you'll be inserting it on the landing pages or another pages that you want to insert it in. Okay, so let's create a blog post. Let's create a blog post. A blog post. Now you can also, if you don't want to stress yourself, you can use AI. Okay, you can use AI to do what? Create a blog post. You can use AI if you want to start from scratch. Let's just start from scratch so that you'll understand it. But also, I'm going to use AI to generate some blog ideas. It's still loading. Yes. It's still loading. It's still loading. It's showing me the one I created last. On the 20th. Yes, on the 20th, I created a blog post. You can see. So this is just like a landing page, and this is just like a website. If you want to adjust anything here, you must adjust it from what? From the website that you designed. Okay, you can see this is just like what? A blog post. But I can still, let me use, let me type what I want to type inside. Remember, this is just like what? A blog post. After typing it, and the reader, they just love what you design, or maybe they just love, okay, your blog post title and everything. Automatically, they'll do what? They'll enter their details and emails, okay, and they'll do what? Verify and do what? Submit comment, showing that they responded to what? To your post. You can name it anything here, okay? So, but for now, let's just keep it cool. I just want to show you different types of what blog posts. Okay, these are like the buttons, how to add buttons. Okay, this is commerce, different types of what blog posts. Okay, you can see the content. This is what is inside the blog post page. Okay, header, meta description, add the meta description. This one you have to connect it with your what, with your Facebook and other things. Okay, meta description is required, blog title, blog author, blog URL, featured image. Okay, so let's start from this. You can see featured image, blog title, new updates, and watch, something is going on here. Okay, blog, this blog is what, in English. Okay, customize what, blog page what, title. Okay, remember the auto generated link that they gave to me. Okay, see, copy the link for future use. Who is the author? Okay, you can just create a new author since you have not created a new author here. Public name, Paul. Language, you can choose the language you want. Okay, let me use my email. Okay, use HubSpot what, image avatar. I can decide to choose my image since I'm the author of this blog post. Okay, so that people will also see me, that I'm a human. Okay, about the author. Okay, I'm I am a blogger. Okay, websites. If I have my own landing page, I put it here. Okay, my Facebook page, my Twitter page, LinkedIn page. So it depends. Okay, if I want to add other details here, so automatically you will see the author. Okay, select one or more tags. Okay, tag name, news. You can see here. Okay, news. I've already tagged it. You can see. This is just like when you are hashtagging. Okay, it's still loading. You see, like hashtag news, hashtag latest. Okay? Enable featured image. That's the image that will attract our blog posts. Okay, featured image. Alternative, let's put the image name, metadata description. Let's see what it means here. A good meta description will drive search engine traffic, okay, to your page. So be what? Descriptive. Okay, description. Okay, when they see it, what will drive them? Okay, Okay, you can do what template use on this post. Okay, you can change the templates. Okay, edit this template, change template for this blog. You can change the template for this blog. Yes, this is the last one that I published few days ago. Okay, this is the last one that I published few days ago. So I don't want to change this. I just want to continue with the one I have. Okay, you can see the last one that I published. This last one that I published. Okay, and we are done. Okay, we are done. You can do what you see news. This is the tag that I did here. So yeah, showing us what. Okay, you have to write a text here. You have to do what? Write something that will attract. If I want to add links here, okay, I'll just click on them. Let me check. Okay, I can say, okay, let me just use this as my blog post. Yes, I just want to use this as my blog post. Remember, why I show me this global content is that any change that I make here is going to come back to the already designed website. Okay, so but for now, let's just publish it. Okay, so that you see, you can see when you click on this drop down, you do what? It will give you option of publishing. Okay, but when you just click on what? Publish direct, it will what? The blog is what is published. You now copy the link. This is the link. Remember, if you want to fix like schedule when you want it to go, you click on that what? The drop down page. You can see CC Port, contact us. It's showing me today's the date, okay, January 2024 and the time. Who is the author of this? This is author of this blog post. Okay, you can see his other details here. I want to follow him on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay, look at what? Look at the blog post that he just made here, and also he tagged what? News, latest, latest. So this just like and what? This is just like hashtags. Okay, you can see, you can input your email. So if I'm done, you can see. Remember, I will show you guys how I did this. Okay, this global response. That anybody that comes to our website, they will respond. So this is how to do what? Create a blog page. Okay. So on that note, we'll say thank you and bye bye for today. So keep following us and watching our YouTube page for more other features of HubSpot. Thank you very much. I hope you find this interesting.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned one or two things about my training today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share our posts. I'll be releasing videos on a weekly basis on how to use different tools. Okay, this time around I just featured HubSpot. So as we're going on, I'll show you how to use Trello for project management. I'll show you how to use Monday.com, different types of tools for both virtual, okay, for virtual assistants, for people that are looking for a way of migrating into tech full-time. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do all those things using different types of tools. Keep watching my channel. Have a wonderful day.